Welcoming you to Nairobi in the next couple of weeks. I'm excited that young people are coming together to address big issues that impact the future of young people and indeed impacts humanity. We've come up with this phrase, the New Deal for Nature is necessary today and into the future. Why? Why? Because the New Deal proposes a future where the loss of nature can stop so that nature can rebuild to support humanity. Why should you care about it as young people? Because it is your future, and it is important for us to secure that future, and you can play the role in it, beginning now. So, what do we expect from you? We expect that when you're in Nairobi, you will discuss very openly what are the challenges for protecting nature. You will discuss what solutions you currently have for protecting and conserving nature, and then you will also discuss what you need to enable you to influence stakeholders like government and businesses to act in support of nature. Now, why nature, and how does nature really work for young people? Nature is important really because nature underpins everything we do. The works businesses do is based upon nature. The food you eat is because of nature. The air we breathe is because of nature. So it's really important that nature is intact. We have a challenge.